another look from the International Space Station. This was recorded within the last 48 hours of the station flying down over the Australian continent for Tuesday the 22nd of May 2018. Welcome to another update from the Force 13's AU team. Expected high temperatures around the Australian continent. Darwin 32, Kununurra 30, Port Hedland 31, Carnarvon 29, Geraldton 29, Perth 27, Uluru 22, Cooper Pedy 21, Ceduna 19, Adelaide 16, Melbourne 17, Devonport 15, Hobart 13, Canberra 18, Sydney 23, Coffs Harbour 23, Brisbane 25, and they're looking at a 8 degrees Celsius overnight. Rockhampton 27, Townsville 27, and Cairns 28. That is degrees, and currently we have a massive high pressure system. I think it's around 1033 or 35 millibars over the Australian continent. Severe weather warning is in place for the Central Plateau, parts of the Western Upper Derwent Valley, Southeast Northwest Coast districts, State of Tasmania, damaging winds about parts of the Central Plateau, Western and adjacent districts during today. Vigorous situation shows a vigorous west to southwesterly airstream prevails over the state of Tasmania. Here is the area under the warning. Not much going on across the Australian continent, although Biometeorology WA could issue a severe weather warning in the next couple of days. Gale warning for the central Gippsland and the east Gippsland coast. Strong wind warning. This is for today. Western Port, the Gippsland Lakes, West Coast, Central Coast. We also have one up here in Queensland, the southeast Gulf of Carpentaria Peninsula Coast, the Cooktown and Cairns Coast. We have a gale warning for the Eden Coast, a strong wind warning for the Illawarra and Batemans Coast. Hazardous surf warning has been issued by the Biometeorology down there in New South Wales for Tamai, the Byron, Goths, Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Batemans and Eden Coast. Now we have a look at the BSCH, it's the GFS wind up model. This is from 10 AM through to the same period tomorrow. The live stream video is in Melbourne, looking down on the casino, the Crown Casino, and it's the luxury apartments. And they do have a YouTube channel. Force 13 appreciates the operators of that stream making that stream available. Now we have a look at the Pivotal Weather website. It's again the GFS model, total precipitation. You can definitely see the areas of interest. The west coast of New Zealand, the southern coast of WA, the southwestern, and further down to the southwest of the state. Here's a look at the instability for the same period. And considering that the Northern Hemisphere tropical season, or let's say the hurricane season, officially starts on June the 1st, we have a little bit of activity possible. The Bay of Bengal and the Northern Indian Ocean regions. Now this is the 12-hourly rainfall. This is a zoomed in area. You can definitely see the area of interest in green and dark green. And the Bureau updates every 12-hourly and total forecast of rain 24 hours. Now we have a look at the national view, rainfall scale, the right hand side of the screen. The red is the maximum, 400 millimeters, down to white, which is 0 rain. And here's the Bureau's total forecast of rain. If you would like to be part of a ever-growing international Force 13 team, and more importantly, the team is looking for graphical designers and computer programmers. If you'd like to get in contact with me, David, personally, here's my email address. Force 13 operates across all platforms, and a slight change to our information at the end of each update. Force 13 outlets. We operate a website, that's Nathan, YouTube, many channels, content growing, Facebook, Twitter, and you can get in contact with Nathan, Force 13, Skype, Phil13, #key9094.